two, 1, 2, 3, 4.
On January 11, 2014, the streets of Bilbao will host the largest citizen mobilization in the recent history of the Basque Country. Then, tens of thousands of people will come out to the street to demand the repatriation of Basque prisoners. 25 years ago, the Spanish and French governments decided to lock them in remote prisons far away from the Basque Country, to isolate them from their social environment and punish their families with long journeys. Today, there are 527 prisoners in 73 prisons scattered around Spain and France, and each family must make an average of 1,500 miles for 40-minute visits. In the past few years, 16 families have been killed in traffic accidents on their way to see their loved ones, and hundreds have been injured. Basque institutions have repeatedly asked for the end of the dispersion, and some opinion polls indicate that over 75% of the population shares that demand. In recent years, there have been mass demonstrations and thousands of protests, but Madrid and Paris despise Basque society and continue violating the human rights of prisoners and their families. ETA declared a permanent ceasefire in November 2011, and the Spanish and French states have chosen to boycott the peace process, so the situation in prisons is getting worse. The Spanish government has even refused to release those who had already served their sentence, prompting the intervention of the European Court of Human Rights, which recently ordered the release of 60 prisoners who had spent 20, 25 and up to 30 years in prison. Today, we can still find in prison senior prisoners suffering from serious illnesses, maintained in social isolation and abusive conditions, including ETA militants, journalists, union members, political organization members, and youth activists in favor of the rights of prisoners. The independence leader Arnaldo Otegi and other leaders have spent more than 4 years in prison for driving the process that has led to the final and unilateral ceasefire by ETA. Basque people want solutions to leave behind the suffering as a way to finally settle a peace process. However, the Spanish and French states have chosen to use the prison policy as a barrier to keep the conflict in the former situation and insist in the human rights violations. In this situation, the Basque society is taking massive commitments to the peace process. But the answer of the Spanish government has been, one more time, violent. In September 2013, they outlawed the civil movement Herrera, promoter of the last protest for the rights of prisoners, and arrested 18 of its members. In this context, the mobilization of January 11, 2014 is expected to be historical, the biggest in decades. The format will be new, as each participant will bring a drop to Bilbao, and all together will build a giant sea, as a symbol of determination and strength of a society that wants the conflict to come to an end. For this, we must recognize and compensate all victims, and encourage the return home of all prisoners and exiled people. We call on the Spanish and French governments to give peace a chance in the Basque Country, and the international community to help us promote the process of conflict resolution. We are a small people that want suffering to stop, and we need your support and solidarity. Give peace a chance in the Basque Country. Human rights, resolution, peace. Basque prisoners to the Basque Country.